If your Kia Sportage won't crank or start, a single blown fuse might be the only thing standing between you and the road. Nearly 15% of non-starting issues are caused by simple electrical interruptions like a blown fuse or a loose relay. Before you start pulling plastic, you need to know where Kia hides these critical power junctions. Check the interior panel for ignition fuses and the engine bay box for the main starter and fuel pump fuses. Focus your search on these 4 circuits, as they are the most likely culprits for a no-start condition. Hold the fuse up to the light. If the metal bridge inside is broken or charred, it needs to be replaced. If you hear clicking but the car won't turn over, you might be dealing with a faulty relay instead of a fuse. A $5 fuse is the cheapest fix in automotive repair, saving you over $100 in shop diagnostic fees. Always use the included puller tool and ensure your replacement fuse matches the original amperage exactly. Keep a small kit of assorted mini fuses in your Sportage so you're never stranded by a small electrical glitch. Remember, a blown fuse is often a symptom of a circuit doing its job to protect your car's computer. If these fuse checks didn't solve your Kia's starting issue, check our next video on starter motor testing.